Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking a look at the Kubsala Starry Kids bike, perfect for young cyclists just learning how to ride. This bike comes in 3 sizes 12, 14, and 16 inches, so you can find the perfect fit for your child. With training wheels and a height adjustable saddle, this bike is designed to provide stability and grow with your little one. Not only is this bike designed with children in mind, but it's also made with reliable, high-quality materials. The high-10 carbon steel frame is sturdy and built to last, with a limited lifetime warranty to give you peace of mind. The coaster brake system and chain guard make this bike safe and durable, perfect for young riders who may not yet have the strength for hand brakes. The best part? This bike is easy to install, with 85% of the assembly already done for you. With just a few parts to add and the basic tools included, you'll have this bike ready to go in no time. So, if you're looking for a safe, reliable, and easy to install bike for your little one, be sure to check out the Kubsala Starry Kids bike. You can find the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy cycling!